Search engine ranking reports. ShineRanker is an SEO tool designed for both experienced and fledgling SEO professionals. It is very easy to use and offers many useful features. The product owner, Chase Reiner, is a very accessible guy and goes live regularly to teach SEO and how to use the tool. He also shares projects he is working on and does challenges in the Facebook group. There is a 10-day free trial. This is a great way to try out the tool before committing. There are no lock-in periods and you can cancel your subscription at any time. The search engine ranking reports are very detailed and include everything you need to know about your keywords. For example, you can check the current and prior keyword rank, the average CPC, and search volume for each keyword. You can also export the keyword data in CSV or PDF format. It is very helpful to have the ability to track the performance of your essential keywords all in one place. ShineRanker has many other features as well, such as the ability to group keywords and manage multiple websites. The tool also has a traffic checker, which allows you to check the rankings of your keywords for any given website. Having a great SEO tool can help you save time and keep your SEO efforts streamlined and efficient. The team behind ShineRanker is incredibly responsive and they are always willing to help you out. Check out ShineRanker today.